Seaweed, yes, that's a good one. Maria? He got yours. Okay. Brianna? Frogs. They may eat frogs down in the ocean. Ernesto? Leaves? Possibly. Think of other things. What else is swimming around in the ocean that they might eat? Andre?
Maybe small crustaceans.
Maybe. All right, Manuel?
Oh.
You mean like different types of fish? Okay. That would be right. Different types of fish that are swimming around. Yes, Ernesto? Maybe a little bit. Different types of like plants and algae, different types of fish. What else is swimming around that might sting you that's a little bit jellyfish? Okay, so they eat different types of jellyfish also. So raise your hand if you can be a scientist today and discover what these sea turtles ate that killed them. You think you can do it? Okay, I think you all can do it too.
No wonder they're so shocked.
Okay. Alright, ready? What we're going to be doing is working with some tools to dissect the turtle's stomach. And are you listening? Calm down, guys. Are you listening? Okay. So what does dissect mean? Raise your hand if you can tell me what the term dissect means. If you think you know. Aiden? Right. Yes, so get inside of something and to explore. Shh, Alexis, turn around, please. Okay, so we're going to go over these tools. Everyone face the front so you can hear and listen. Today it's just going to be the inside of their stomachs. Okay, so raise your hand if you're familiar with this tool. Many of you have seen it before, probably. All right, what is this, Jerry?
I really don't know what it is for, but I've seen it before.
You know does anyone know what it's called, Manuel?
A thing that you could pluck your eye.
It is used to pluck your eyes. Okay, shh, Ernesto, this is called tweezers. This is called tweezers. And they are used to pinch small objects to be able to pull them up and hold them. So that's what you'll use this for. All right, does anyone know what this instrument is? Raise your hand if you think you have an idea. Let's see, Alexis?
I think that's to hold the something.
It would be to hold it, that's right. So this is called a tongue. And it has two movable arms, and it's used to pick up things and hold them, like Alexis said. So that's what you'll use this for.
Like salad making.
Okay, is anyone familiar with this tool? Let's see, Andre?
It looks like a miniature crowbar.
Maybe a little bit like that, Brianna.
They have those in dentists? Yeah.
They do like something at the dentist. This is called a probe, and it has a sharp end right here. And what Aiden was telling us earlier about what dissect means, this will help you tear into the stomach and get inside of it to be able to see what the turtles have ate. This will help you. Okay, what are these? Everyone knows what these are. Gloves. Okay, so you're going to put these on your hands to keep you from getting too messy and all over you. And I have one more thing in here. Thank you. Everyone knows this. What is this? A magnifying glass. What do you do with it? Raise your hand if you can tell me what you do with it. Let's see. Zuri, I haven't heard from you today. What do you do with this?
Zuri, hello. Is Zuri in there?
Maybe look through it, you think?
Yeah.
What about you, David? Can you help her out? Look in it? Alright, what about you, Jerry?
These add objects bigger.
It makes objects bigger, that's exactly right. So when you look through it and you find different objects inside the stomach, this will make them bigger so that you can really see it better. You what, Manuel? And sometimes smaller. Alrighty. Okay, so today, whenever you get started, you're going to be working in groups, and I have got the group set up and a bag that's labeled, so I have group 2's bag. So whenever I call out your groups, or no, sorry, you listening? Whenever I call out your groups, you'll go to the table and find which bag is labeled group 1, they're group 1 through 6, okay? So when I call your name out, I'll call your group number out. And after you get started, here in a few minutes, I'm going to give each group a sticky note. So you're going to only want to work with the people in your group and try not to tell everybody what you think killed the turtle. And whenever you get everything out of the stomach, I've got some water at the table for you to dip it in, the objects that you, or whatever you find inside of it, to kind of clean it off so that you can tell what it is for sure and get everything off of it. Are you listening, Gracie? And then I will pass around a sticky note, and you'll write down when you're all finished and you think you've discovered what's killed it, you're going to write your answer down on the sticky note with your group and wait for everyone else to finish. So raise your hand when you're done and you filled out the sticky note. Yes, Andre?
What do we do if we find a jellyfish in there?
Well, you just got to determine whether that's something. You remember how we just did a think, pair, share on what turtles do eat? Things that are natural for them that won't kill them. So you're going to be looking for things that will kill them in the stomach. Like, you know, you may find a jellyfish and decide, well, this didn't kill the turtle because the turtle, y'all told me the turtle eats jellyfish. So you'll be looking in the stomach for something that they do not eat that would have caused them to die. Yes, Jessica.
I hope I don't find it hard.
You won't. You won't. Yes, Aiden.
For a minute, I thought we were going to a frog.
A frog? You thought it was going to be a frog for a minute? All right, well, we're gonna work on a turtle, okay? So I'm going to tell you your group numbers. Group 1 is Manuel, Jexicella, and David. So you can go find your bag that says group 1 and go ahead and get started.
It's fun. Wait to look at inside of the turtle.
Okay, group 2, I have y'all's bag. It's Maria, Gail, and Andre. And you're right here, this second Maria.
Seriously?
Right here. Okay, group 3, are you listening, Ernesta? Jared, Brianna, and George. Group 3, so look at the table that has group 3. Group 4 is Ernesto, Alexis, and Gracie. Group 5 is Angel, Aiden, and Brian. And group 6 is Data and Zuri.